Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I've got a brand new coin here today called fluffycoin. It's made by a YouTuber called biaheza. He did it as a joke to see how easy it is to actually make a scam coin. It's dead easy, guys. It takes like 20 minutes if you want to get like a scam out of there. It's awful how quickly it can be done, but he did it as an experiment to see how it was done. Of course, he's not going to scam people, but he's done it to just demonstrate how quickly it can be done, and the things to show like how people buy fake followers, fake subscribers, fake tweets, all that type of stuff, fake likes and all that. And he's done it. He's made one video. He made it 12 days ago, and the coin has gone absolutely crazy. He told his viewers not to buy the coin because it was an experiment. It's a joke. You know, he's just seeing how it is, and obviously telling everyone what it is like it's for people to make scams, right? So he told people not to buy it 12 days ago. As soon as the video launched, people bought it. It had a huge pump, and then it corrected a bit, went sideways for quite a while. Boom, second video. He made a second video talking about how quickly it pumped, how surprised he actually was. Next thing you know, boom, people bought again. And then it went up and up and up and up and up and up and up, all the way till now, till about 16 million market cap, right? I think the all-time high is about 17, 18 million market cap, or roughly around there. But guys, it's done like 1,000% pump in about 7 days. Do I think the train's going to stop here? Hard to say. The hype right now is pretty real. There's a lot of FOMO coming in right now. I do think the price will continue to go upwards, but people who bought the start, because there is big whales, right? Like one whale could literally kill this chart. And I will be honest here, it could happen. There was a guy who sold about $70,000 the other day. You can see, boom, it went down here, but the dip literally got eaten up and it's gone back up. So I do think that, you know, there is strong people in this community, right? There's a whole team behind it now, all volunteered. They've all joined it. There's about 40 odd team members, I believe. You know, they have graphic designers, web designers, people are going to do marketing, all that type of stuff. They've also paid for a static audit to be done, which is coming out very soon. They've got a brand new website, which you can see here. It's coming out in 7 days, 5 hours. That's when a new launch of the website comes out. It's looking interesting. It's looking great. I can't wait. I am invested. Guys, full disclaimer, guys, please do your own research. Like, this is literally one of them coins where you risk it and you could lose all your money, like, dead easy. You know, either you can make loads of money or you can make no money, right? So please be careful. Only put money in that you can afford. I've put money in that I'm happy to lose. And, you know, you can see here where I've bought around here, and I've bought here, and I'm doing fairly well, right? So like, things are looking good with the coin. I do think it will keep going higher. Dog coins always seem to do well, like Shiba, Floki, Dogecoin, all them, they've all done well. Why can't this one? This actually has YouTube backings. Even Graham Stephen, he made a video. A bunch of the fluffy community commented on his videos, and he commented back saying he may possibly make a video. If I can find the comments of him saying that, I will post it on screen right now so you can see. But you can see here on biaheza's channel, 12 days ago, made the video, boom, price went up. Second video, price went up again. People are saying he's going to make a new video tomorrow, which is Saturday. People think that's when he's going to launch his next video about Fluffy. If he does, I do think the price will go up even higher. He has made TikToks and Instagram posts just talking about Fluffy, like just being how shocked it is, how high it went on his Instagram. Again, I'll show that on screen so you guys can see what I mean. It's looking crazy. So if we go, it's on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. If we go onto CoinGecko, 1,300% gain in the last 7 days, 24 hours, 124. It's absolutely madness, guys. It is really insane. So yeah, that's fluffycoin. You know, I've heard things, it might have staking eventually. Whether or not biaheza will actually become a part of the team officially, no idea. I hope so, because that would make it more legit, and more things can be done in terms of development of the coin, and it can actually maybe have a long term future, and not just be a meme shit coin. But yeah, currently it's a risk. Do your own research, only put in what you can afford, honestly. This could all go to crap, but it does look promising. You know, they've got a team. It's constantly having people talking, posts daily, you know, shilling going on. The community is strong. The FOMO is real. So, guys, only put the money that you can afford. do your own research. This isn't financial advice. This is just me telling you that I'm invested and this is my own opinion and what I think about the project. The fact that biaheza's made a YouTube video, it's just insane, guys. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.